Good day, classmates. Welcome to the show Chismis Classmate, and we're here with a new segment. This segment aims to cater to the very loving requests of the fine art students as they feel left out. And today, I am Sheldon Mercado accompanying you to the first episode of Chismis Classmates Recognizing Art, where we recognize not just the art, but also the painter and the meaning behind the art. And in today's first episode, we are gonna recognize someone and his work. So, without another chit chat, let me introduce to you Mr. Benedicto Cabrera. Mr. Benedicto Cabrera is famous for a lot of paintings catering to showing how life in the Philippines is. And he is also very particularly famous on this artwork made in 1966. Can you guess what it is? You might be right. It's Sabel. Sabel is made from oil on canvas. The material might not be special, but the meaning strikes deep into the heart of the Filipino. Why? But for that, a little bit of information about Sabel. The whereabouts on where it is displayed is unknown because it's currently owned by a private collector. Now let's proceed on the facts. Sabel is actually a painting of a homeless woman. It is portrayed by Mr. Cabrera that the person there is a homeless scavenger wrapped in plastic. And the inspiration behind this artwork came from his excursions, his journeys, his walks around Metro Manila and other neighboring cities, where he saw homeless people, where he saw women. And that stroked the idea that is Sabel. Sabel is representing all walks of life, to be precise. And then, through Sabel, Mr. Benedicto Cabrera likes to show and likes to encourage us about sympathy and why to feel it towards others, because to be honest, we don't really seem to care in today's world. We just go up about our own business. But through this painting, Mr. Cabrera encourages us to be more human and to teaches us not to judge, but to empathize around others who are around us. And history, meaning the emotions that Mr. Cabrera likes to portray are the struggles that are really impactful, as you can see, but not in a conventional way where it's just gonna paint someone, but through an emotional storytelling. So it reflects the suffering of the people. It also reflects what the lot of Sabels are going through. Sabel might not be real, but the inspiration behind it is very real. And come to think about it, we don't know. Okay, a trivia. Sabel isn't just one, it's actually a series of artworks that are related, spanning from 1966 to around 1990s. And now, we're gonna take a call from a viewer of us. So please call the number that is displayed on the screen. And then we're gonna accept that call. It looks like someone is calling. Hello?
Hello, is this Recognizing Art?
Yes. This is Chismis Classmate.
Well, I wanted to share my opinion.
Oh yes. So what do you think about Mr. Cabrera's painting?
For me, the work was so revolutionary.
And why is that?
Because, yes, let's say he was using oil and canvas, but this doesn't mean that it can convey meaning. He actually revolutionized it because he actually portrayed how the other side of life in Manila was, and also of the whole of Philippines, because our life was portrayed as easy.
Oh yes. Very true.
That's pretty much what I saw in the artwork, so I'm gonna hang up now. Bye, thank you.
Thank you, caller. And this is Chismis Classmate. Thank you for calling. As you have heard from one of our callers that this painting is very powerful in a sense that it actually portrays us being human and not just being an individual who doesn't care about their surroundings. So, let me encourage you with a word of today. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. And that is being human. If you are human, if you become human today and tomorrow and in the future, many things will come back to you. Not bad things, but good things. Because I believe in every aspect of life, we must be human. We must consider others, just like Mr. Cabrera is portraying. Because being human gives us not just a guarantee that we would reach heaven or something. It also gives us peace of mind and joy that we have helped others. And this has been She's Miss Classmate, Recognizing Art. We would like to thank you for our first episode. Paalam mga kaklase. See you on the next episode. Goodbye.